Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to draw out of my book, Drawing Shape by Shape, and we're going to draw a cute caterpillar. So go ahead and get your drawing supplies with you, whether it's markers, color crayons, colored pencils, regular pencil, you choose. And today I think I'm going to make my caterpillar violet. I'm going to give him a couple other colors too, so I'm going to go ahead and grab pink and black just so that I've got a couple other colors to work with today. And our caterpillar is going to be made out of circles. So, are we ready? And do they have to be perfect circles? No, just do your best. So, we're going to start by stacking his body. And we're going to draw 3 circles similar to what you would if you were to draw me a snowman. So we're going to start with his bottom circle, and we're going to make that one just a little bit bigger than the rest, and I'm going to draw slightly to the left of my whiteboard so that I can have his tail going onto the right hand side. So I'm going to start by drawing one circle, and then I'm going to draw a second circle. Now if you notice, my circles overlap because we want to make it look like our caterpillar is connected. We want to make him look like he's together, not 2 circles standing on top of each other. And then for his head or her head, I'm going to make it a little bit more of an oval shape. Now, do I need these lines in here anymore? Nope. So I'm going to go ahead and take my eraser. We're going to do some erasing really quick. So now my caterpillar has a body that's standing upright. So I'm going to switch colors for a minute because we're going to draw his face or her face, and I want to make it in black. So to start with that, we're going to start with 2 circles for eyeballs. So here are my 2 circles. I'm going to give him some pupils on the inside. And then I'm going to make mine smiling. So I'm going to give him a big old grin. And I want to make it kind of look like he's got a snout. So I'm going to give him kind of this nose-like thing, and I'm going to give him some cute little eyebrows. Uh-oh, my marker smeared. Let's try that again. So some cute little eyebrows. He looks kind of evil. Let me erase this eye and make it look a little bit less evil, maybe. That looks a little better. He doesn't look as evil. Now I'm going to switch back because we're going to draw his and her antennas and some arms. So antennas, we're going to start out by drawing a triangle shape with a circle on the end. On this side, that triangle shape with a circle on the end. Nice and skinny. Now he's going to be waving to you, or her. She's going to be waving to you. So we're going to go ahead and draw the arm coming up. Oh, that's a little bit too long. Let's shorten her arm up. His arm up. There we go. That looks a little better. You're going to shorten him up even just a little bit more. There we go. That looks a little better. Then we're going to draw the second arm down here, kind of that U shape. Next, we're going to add to our body. So we're going to add 1 full circle and then 2 smaller half circles. So we want those circles to overlap again, or one go over the top of the other. So we're going to draw them so they look like they connect. So there's 1 full circle. Then we're going to draw a partial circle and then a little partial circle. And now we're done with our body. Now we do need some of these circle lines, so we don't want to erase those 2. But this guy right here, we're going to erase the inside part so that it looks like it's attaching to our caterpillar. So now we have our caterpillar standing upright. We've got his tail going out. Now we need some legs. So you're going to start with the front legs here on his body. And you're going to draw me 2 kind of curved legs on the inside coming out. We'll draw flat for the bottom. Then you'll draw a second curve that comes out of the body. And then round it out to the toes. Round it out to the toes. Then we're going to add a leg to this one and a leg to this one. And we're just going to copy this type of leg right here. So you're going to round it out, flatten, and then curve it down. So again, round it out, flat, and then curve it out to be the toe. Now we just need the details. So let's go ahead and find his belly. So I'm going to find his belly shape right here. And then to make it look kind of like a belly, I'm going to draw a line so it's kind of got that stripy belly look. There he is. And then I want to give mine some spots. So I'm going to take my other color. I'm going to take pink this time and give him some spots. And I'm going to kind of color those in just so that I don't forget about them. You can give him more spots if you want. You can give him less spots if you want. If you want to give him stripes instead of spots, go for it. I'm going to give him some spots. Now, I said mine was waving. Does he look like he's waving yet? No. So we're going to go ahead and make him wave. So by giving him some kind of echo lines like that, it's going to look like he's waving in both directions. What's next? Your background, of course. So, where is your caterpillar going to be? Have fun. Be creative. Be silly. Figure out where he's going to be. Or she is going to be. Give her a bow if she's going to be a girl. Give her some jewelry. Maybe give her a tiara. That'd be cool. Show me. I'd love to see it. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day.